gonna be in love with me. I want you and need you to be,
Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. Hear you talking about we a lot, you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? I know what time it is right now. It's after 3 AM, I know that's asking a lot of you right now. All you ever say is come see me for once, come and see me. You don't ever come to me, yeah. All he ever say is come and see me for once, come and see me. You don't ever come to me, yeah. All he ever say is shit just got rents down. Hear you talking about we a lot, we a lunch now. Giving me the sign, so I'm sign it now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? Hang right now. On the east side, and you know I'm a gang right now. You say, do I wanna this right now? This right now. It's after 3 AM, I know that's asking a lot of you right now. All you ever say is come and see me for once, come and see me. You don't ever come to me, yeah. All he ever say is come and see me for once, come and see me. You don't ever come to me, yeah. All he ever say is come and see me for once, come and see me. You don't ever come to me, yeah. All he ever say is come and see me for once, come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. Oh, all he ever say is come and see me, come and see me.
Y'all, it was so nice in there. They sold everything in that fish market. I mean, they had aisles and aisles and aisles of things. They had fresh fish. I mean, shrimp, oysters, scallops, anything that you can think of fresh on ice. They had blue crabs. They had a sushi section where they were making fresh sushi. They had a wine area where they had wine, and they do wine tasting on Fridays. Everything is local. They had cigars in there, and then you go in another section. They had like a hot bar where they were serving hot food and things, fresh local honeys, anything and everything that you can think of, they had it. So I definitely will be back and will be shopping with them when I have a taste for some seafood or want some fresh fish. I actually got a few pieces of shrimp. I wanted tiger shrimp. They didn't have tiger shrimp, so I ended up getting like the biggest shrimp they have, because I'm thinking I'm doing shrimp fried rice tonight. I want some more of that edamame that I found, so I'm gonna go get some more of that. And yeah, I was gonna drive and talk to you guys, but I've been hearing mixed reviews about how people are getting demonetized for driving and talking while driving or while operating a vehicle. So I'm not trying to get in any trouble. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in and let you guys know how my experience was the first time visiting one of my local fish shops. So I'm going to get off camera, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will pop in later. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope you don't hear my car too much. I have the air on, the windows up. So yeah, bye guys.
I'm looking for somebody I can call, looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's you, what you wanna do. You can be my teacher, I'll do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby.
all night. Say it, I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby. Love it, shit. You know I'm crazy. So go drink up.
Alright guys, here we are, the finished product. Hope you can see. I'll pan around again so you guys can see the finished product. But yeah, this is it. That's a wrap, guys. Everything turned out amazing. I am so ready to eat. It smells amazing, and I want to eat before everything gets cold because if you don't know, I don't use a microwave. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for joining me for most of my day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to kicking it with you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.
Just say you will. Say it. Come through and chill. Say it. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Yeah.